So I am outside of a condo unit that we bought for cash and did a fix and flip on. We're under contract to sell. So as long as we get to the finish line, this is gonna end up being a good deal. And the reason I say as long as we get to the finish line is the HOA. There's this shake shingle siding is damaged with hail and old. The roof, you probably can't see in this video well enough, but it's old. The 3-tab shingles are failing. And the HOA, we need the HOA to fix those things. And they're fighting with the insurance company to fix it over hail damage. And it doesn't seem like the insurance company has enough money to pay for it on their own. So that whole battle is kind of taking place right now. And it's in the meeting minutes for the HOA. And it's something I didn't read before I bought it. And then after buying the property, then I went through the meeting minutes and saw the comments on the insurance battle and the hail damage. So hopefully that's not something that comes up with the buyers that scare them and make them walk. But as long as they don't, this turned out great. Everything's brand new. It looks awesome. It sold in the first weekend, which isn't too common anymore, right? We painted everything, put new flooring in, new door hardware. I like to put these handles from Amazon in. Pobrico is what it's called. Pobrico door hardware on Amazon if you search it. Same white shaker cabinets I always put in. In fact, there was a drop ceiling here, and there used to be 32-inch cabinets, but we ripped the drop ceiling out and did a surface mount light up top and just did 42-inch uppers, so you get a nice looking kitchen there. The basement, I'll just show you a trick here. So we got credit for having a third bedroom by just putting a closet in the corner of this basement. And this is actually a conforming bedroom because we already had the egress window over there. This was all unfinished. We just finished the space, left it as open as possible, and stuck a closet over in this corner. So now technically, the whole thing is a bedroom. And you enter the bedroom when you open the stairs, the door at the top of the stairs. So for appraisal purposes, that is helpful. We added a laundry space here. And also we got credit for this being finished space because we put the LVP floor down and baseboards. So that was a nice addition. And we added a bathroom down here in the corner. So now this house has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Every single room has an attached bathroom off of it. The basement one we just looked at, this main floor bedroom has the bathroom off of it. The downside of that is there's no bathroom for common space, for guests without walking through a bedroom. But that's what this unit is. And this is the master, where we completely redid the bathroom, all new cabinets and countertop. We were able to keep these mirrors. Luckily they didn't break when we took them off the wall, so we got them back up. An all new tile and faucets in here. So that's what we're up to with this one. I will let you know. By the time I post this video, I'm gonna know whether we got through or not, as far as the buyers seeing the notes and the meeting minutes and of the HOA and having issues with the possibility of the HOA having not the funds to fix everything. And if that happens, we'll try to settle with give them money that they can use towards a tax assessment if it were to be assessed later. But that's what's going on with this one. By the time I post it, I'll know how that worked out and I'll put it in the comments. So thanks for watching. Oh, if you haven't already, join a free mentorship group. It's over at selfmadeflipper.com. That's selfmadeflipper.com. Click the button, it's free to join. There's a lot of great content in there. There's a free course in there, and I do weekly Zoom meetings with the members. So hop in there if you haven't already.